is the moment, tonight is the night.
Good morning, everyone. It's Crypto Meow Analysis coming at you with an update video on Bitcoin. So stock RSI's almost completely reset. We don't have to necessarily come down, but typically, as you can see, we do always zero out before we kind of have some sort of recovery rally, relief rally. On the macro time frame, we're still good in my opinion. I think that we're still fine. Bitcoin over 100 to 108 clearly in the box, which we actually tagged. We're sitting on right now. I think it's still valid. We might get one last capitulation and actually put in a lower low before we start moving up. That's a possibility. Don't rip my throat out, right? That's kind of what happened here, where we made like we were in a falling wedge and then we eventually broke out. And even over here before we made the next higher high. So it could be something like that. But regardless, I mean, patterns aside, as far as the area of support, I do think that 139 to 143 is still the top as long as we're over 100 to 108. If we break this area, then I think that we're probably going to get a big capitulation down, and then we're going to get a big relief rally and get stuck here, and then we're going to basically fall off the cliff and the bear market's going to start for Bitcoin. But that's obviously that's what I think. I mean, I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. So, you know, if you're watching me, we can either agree or disagree, which is totally fine, because you guys can have your own plays too, right? Now, in terms of Bitcoin dominance is going up. And what we really need to see is Bitcoin dominance below 54%. And Ethereum dominance to shoot up and then eventually get alt season, which is what we've been waiting for a couple. I mean, for 2 years. I've been waiting for it for 2 years now. I thought it was going to be last year, this year, but it still hasn't happened. So that's pretty much it with Bitcoin. I will keep you updated as always. None of this is financial advice. It is all just my opinion. And thank you so much for all your support.